Hey, buddy, you're not supposed to have. Welcome to living out here. Yes, I do have sawdust all over me. So, that means we're working back in the shop and we're going to be cutting some stuff and dealing with some stuff. We're going to try to make 2 lanterns out of. Hey, it's me from the future. Guess what? We're only making 1 lantern. 1 fence picket. Let's see how I do. See if you guys can follow along. And hopefully I'll be able to show you how I did it. So I added a stop block. This measurement is 8.5 inches. So what we're gonna do is cut 4 of these for the base of our lanterns. We actually only needed to cut 2, not 4. 1.
These boards are being ripped down to 1.5 inches wide. And after we get done ripping these down, I'm going to show you what to do next.
So now we need these 1.5 inch wide pieces cut on 45s at 10 inches long to long.
You're going to need 4 of these.
Two and a half inches on this guy.
These boards are being ripped down to 3/4 of an inch wide, and they are 3/4 of an inch tall. So that gives us a square stock that we're going to be using.
Now we're going to cut 4 of these at 12 inches long. The ones that we just ripped. We're going to do 2.5 inches on this one. So let me show you guys all the cuts that you have to make. First is this outside box. That is 10 inches to 10 inches, long side to long side. So you need 4 for this side and 4 for the top, going around there. These are 1.5 inches tall, and you're gonna run your border, drop your fence picket inside. From here to here and here to here is 8.5 inches. So you need 1 full fence picket and part of the other. This over here is your top. This is a piece cut like that, 6 inches to 6 inches. All of those. This is a 2.5 inch block that I cut that we're gonna be using as the hanger. We're gonna start by gluing these two, this side and this side together. How, you may ask? Well, I got myself some glue here, and we're gonna put a nice lathering on it. Like so. We don't want any of the glue to stick up through. So we're gonna put this on like that. Now, the extra left on my finger, we're gonna put that there, a little bit there, a little bit there, like so. And the reason why I'm doing my glue this way, why? Because the cap is clogged. So we're gonna put some here and here, here, and there. So now we're gonna get our brad nails. And we're using brad nails in place of clamps. Why? Because I don't have time for the jibber jabber. Okay, get my rag. Did you know that baby clothes, old baby clothes, make great rags? Just pointing it out. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay. Hey. Go back to where you're supposed to be. Okay. Next, we're gonna put together another box. And we're just gonna use this as placeholders so I can make sure these are all nice and square. Why? I don't know. Now let's use our glue stick here, also known as a random cutoff that I just grabbed to spread glue with. Okay. Now, hey, buddy, you're not supposed to have, you're not supposed to have glue on you. Whoa, you moved. You ain't supposed to be moving on me. You ain't supposed to be moving on me. You too, quit. Come on, let's go back together. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna put my spacers back in. Okay. I'm just using those as spacer boards. I'm not actually going to be leaving those in there. So, let's get this one nailed together. Take these back out because they don't need to go there. So those won't work. Man. All right, let's go cut some more of these to make it work for me. So as you saw, these didn't work, so now we're gonna use these. These are one of these 8.5-inch ones. We're gonna use these, and we're gonna staple it, or brad nail it to this. And then I'll show you putting it up on top. Okay. This can't be made out of one fence picket. I was being a little overzealous and thinking I could get another one out of this. But the way it turns out, I can't. So now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of sandpaper and throw some stain on it. And now, this is what it looks like. We still gotta drill our hole here and twine it and rings, but I'm waiting on those from Amazon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this build. I know I did. And here's to another day of living out here.